Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to cancel your NEO credit card in 2025. Whether you're looking to cut down on expenses, switch to a better card, or just declutter your wallet, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you cancel, double-check your account. Log into your NEO credit card app or website using your credentials. This is crucial because you want to review any outstanding balances, pending transactions, or rewards that might affect your decision. If you have any dues, pay them off immediately to avoid complications. Remember, canceling with a balance could lead to collection efforts. Once you're all set, the next step is to contact NEO's customer service. In 2025, NEO has made this easier with a dedicated cancellation portal on their website, but you can also call their 24/7 helpline at 1-800-NEO-CARD. When you reach an agent, clearly state your intention to cancel and provide your account details for verification. They'll ask a few questions, like why you're canceling, so be prepared with a polite response. After that, confirm the cancellation in writing. NEO might send you an email or a confirmation code. Make sure to save this as proof. Also, keep an eye out for any final statements or fees. Some cards charge a small closure fee, so check your terms beforehand. Pro tip: if you have auto payments linked, cancel those separately to prevent any surprises. Finally, once it's done, monitor your credit report in the following months to ensure everything is squared away. Canceling a card can impact your credit score temporarily, so it's smart to have a plan for maintaining good credit. There you have it. That's how to cancel your NEO credit card in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.